Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok photo mode not working. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok. And you need to update TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the TikTok. Here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and click on permissions, and you need to allow all permissions by clicking on and click on allow only by using the app. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and restart your smartphone and log in back again into your TikTok account, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.